In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear order history in Microsoft account. We'll walk through where to find your order activity in your Microsoft account using the rewards portal, what you'll see on that page, and a few helpful tips to keep everything clear and organized. Start by opening your web browser and heading to rewards.microsoft.com. This takes you to Microsoft Rewards, which is the easiest route to the order history area tied to your account. If you aren't already signed in, you'll be prompted to do so. Enter your Microsoft account credentials and complete any verification prompts that appear. If you have more than one Microsoft account, make sure you're signing into the one where your rewards activity actually lives, so you're looking at the right history. Once you're signed in, look to the top right corner of the page for your profile icon. This might show your initials or a small profile image. On smaller screens, you may need to expand the menu or rotate your device to landscape to see it clearly. Click the profile icon to open the account menu, then choose Order History. This takes you directly to your activity list. On the Order History page, you'll see a record of actions related to Microsoft Rewards. Typically, that includes redeemed rewards, any gift cards you've claimed, and sweepstakes entries you've submitted. Each line will show a date and a status, so you can quickly confirm when something was processed and whether it's completed, pending, or canceled. If you're reviewing a recent redemption, give it a moment to appear. Sometimes it can take a short while for new items to update. Use this page to scan through your entries and make sure everything looks correct. If the interface allows, select an item to view more details, such as the specific reward or entry and the timestamp. If something seems out of place, try refreshing the page, confirming you're on the correct account, or signing out and back in. A quick note for expectations. Microsoft's rewards order history is designed as a running record of your activity. There isn't typically a one-click option on this page to permanently delete or clear these entries. Think of it as your account ledger, useful for tracking what you've redeemed and when. If your goal is privacy on a shared device, be sure to sign out when you're done and consider clearing your browser history separately. That's all there is to it. Go to rewards.microsoft.com, sign in, tap your profile icon in the top right, and open Order History to review your redeemed rewards gift